Welcome to Pokerface. The game is simple. In front of us there will be 4 pieces of food. 3 are delicious. 1 is definitely not. It's designed to create an extreme bodily reaction, but looks identical to the others. We will all eat at the same time, attempting to keep a poker face, so no facial reaction. At the end of each round, we'll have to guess who we think had the bad bite and tally the scores as we go.
Boys, we have a lovely, intimate poker face today.
Yeah.
It's just the 4 of us.
Good. Okay.
That's not good.
What, it reduces the odds?
You're hosting again.
I'm hosting.
Where's your beard?
But he's got a card.
And you're playing.
I'm going to play
Yes!
against all medical advice. But for the video, I'm going to play.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, yay.
I have a channel that you run.
Yeah. James, would you like to lift the cloche on dish number 1?
Cheer up, James. Cheer up.
Come on,
There's
come on.
nothing cheery about this.
It's not in the centre.
This is salt in bocca. So, traditionally, salt in bocca is a delicate Italian dish of veal, sage, prosciutto. It's so delicious. The name actually translates to jump in your mouth. Now, one of these might just leak straight back out of your mouth because it contains an ungodly amount of salt, which will leave your tongue begging for mercy.
Oh, I hate the salty
That's so
ones.
silly.
And Mike's not here because he always gets the salty ones.
Michael always
does.
gets the salty one.
Oh, juicy.
Jesus.
Cheers.
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 What am I eating again?
Veal, sage, and prosciutto.
Salt.
And maybe salt.
Because the prosciutto is naturally quite salty. It could be a tricky one.
We've
Another
all
bite?
got different tolerances.
And the veal, again, always a very lean cut anyway,
Yeah.
but still very juicy.
Hey, this is pork fillet because I couldn't afford veal.
Right, that's why it's so juicy.
Yeah.
Are we going in again?
Yeah, go for it. It's dripping on me. Cheers, guys.
The sage is a lovely touch to that. Really
Just
like
lifts
that.
it.
Yeah. Okay.
So the game now, boys, just write down the name of the person that you think had the salty salt.
Salty sausage.
The salty salt in bocca.
Can you tell who it was? That was a good round. Everyone did very, very, very well there.
Well, we always have to start, you know.
But yeah, I'm hoping we got a good close of everyone's face because
Whoever got the salt there has done a good job.
I think it was James.
It was definitely me.
Really?
I thought it was James from the heavy breathing.
I thought, I thought it was between Jamie and Kush, and I went with Jamie.
Well
You were
done,
doing a lot of
Kush.
like, nom, nom, nom.
Yeah.
Whoa, for a second. This never happens.
No. How,
You get 4 points here.
how bad was that?
It's like it's gone. It's in my stomach, but it wants to come back up a bit. That's the juice for mine. If anyone wants to taste.
Is that why yours was dripping?
Yes.
I almost went for you because I knew that you'd be the best at hiding it.
Yeah.
Right. What?
I just know that you'd be good at it.
So the interesting thing is, you made
Well
all
done.
of these, so you know just how bad the bad one is. How much salt was in that one?
Took a piece of pork fillet, covered it in salt, wrapped it in prosciutto, covered it in salt, pan fried it, covered it in salt, and put it in the fridge. So all the excess salt has drawn out all the excess juice.
Did you
Taste the juice. As soon as I picked mine up, I knew it was going to be the bad one.
Kush, well done.
Wow. Kush gets a point.
Should I get all?
I
Shall I
feel
get all
like
the
you should get
points?
more points, but
That's not how the game works.
That might be
Don't
the
change it now.
best thing I've had on Poker Face. It was quite tasty.
Oh, you're welcome.
a little bit of
Yeah.
seasoned water
That
you
was
had, not the
nice.
whole thing. Oh, sorry, it's in the...
Oh yeah. Not the salty juices.
Let's move on to round 2. Barry Taylor, lift the cloche on round number 2.
Ready?
Welcome to Grim and Tonic.
Oh no, what?
The classic gin and tonic. Crisp, refreshing, perfectly balanced, but not necessarily in this case. One of these is a Grim and Tonic, with alcohol levels so brutal from the addition of
No, come on.
absinthe, it could strip paint
I've got to ride a bike home.
and make for very interesting journeys home. Boys, pick your Grim and Tonic. You've done food colouring to make sure that it all looks exactly the same.
because absinthe's peculiar coloured, so they're all now peculiar coloured.
Okay, cheers.
Oh,
Cheers.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Cheers.
Sipper.
Sipper.
It's a
Sipper.
But you gotta
Okay.
get it in, yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers. Come on, glass.
Bonus point if you can guess the gin and the tonic.
Interesting.
It's the colour makes it.
Yeah, bleachy.
Yeah, I
Is
can't.
bleach that coloured?
I'm starting to pick up on the nuances because of the colour, I think.
Oh, you win a lot.
I made sure that I picked the
Your
one with
teeth
the
are
least.
blue as well now.
Oh,
Oh yeah, this is strong food colouring.
Oh, God! Someone can handle their alcohol. Again, any clues? Could you tell?
Should we write down a name?
I don't know what to write down.
You right, Jake?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Should we start this side this time?
Yeah,
Are you ready?
James.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm gonna go Jamie again.
I thought it was James.
It was me.
It was 100% Kush.
You can smell it.
Because he breathed on me, and it felt like I now feel drunk from.
Oh my God, Kush!
You just breathed in
Yes.
my. You breathed in my general direction, and wow,
That's the pure aniseed, isn't it?
Glow.
It's neat.
It's neat!
You didn't even do with tonic.
Kush!
That's just water.
Yeah, that's just water. Yeah.
Taste it. It's really nice stuff. It's really good stuff.
Kush, you drank quite a lot of that.
Hey, chef.
Ah, my mouth!
Yeah. I can't see out my left eye now. Okay, so Kush gets another point. I get a point.
Wow.
At the end of round 2, Kush has had a full house.
Well
you can
done.
get a dirty sweep.
I could.
You could get a dirty sweep and all the points. That is brilliant.
Have we had a dirty sweep?
We come very close.
Let's move on to round 3. Kush, lift the cloche on dish number 3.
If you can.
Why is there a banana there?
This
heck? I have so many questions.
What has that banana had done to it?
This is
What?
a salted caramel.
Salted, it's been stabbed.
Okay.
Right,
Salted
okay.
caramel fudge. Smooth, rich, indulgent. Except one of these is a salted caramel. The caramel has been intensely burnt. The sweetness never stood a chance.
I'm gonna take.
I'll let you not go last.
Thanks. Oh, mine's leaking.
I'm gonna let it come to me.
I'd say all in chewy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, we've got a game in our hands, boys. How did you make that?
Made a soft toffee. Froze it as a block, cut it into little rectangles, and then molded it around the stick. Refroze it, and then dip it into liquid chocolate, and then put it back in the freezer.
Great idea.
Yeah. Do we want to write down a name?
I think it's the toughest game of poker face we've played.
Who wants to start?
You go.
Yeah.
I thought it was James.
I think it's James because he hasn't said a word.
I too thought it was James.
Interesting. I wasn't sure if it was me.
Oh, really?
I think it was me.
You had just this look of, oh dear, on your face. Quite.
Just acrid. Just
Yeah.
a bit.
Yeah, like it was nice, and then it wasn't.
Okay, right.
So
Yeah.
mine
It was a
didn't,
grower. It was
mine
a
didn't
serious
turn
grower.
not nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Mum
yeah.
is easy.
Yeah, like I got it off, and I thought I'd got a nice one.
And then a little bit was really bad, right?
Well, no, it just like grew around my mouth.
Yeah.
Like I got caramel and I thought, oh, I've got caramel. It's not burnt. Good times. I can't believe you all got me. I thought, like, I didn't even really know if it was me or not. Like I wasn't reacting badly. It's just my face.
Well, you'll see on socials how the development of this one actually went, because I made it, tested it, and it was too bad, and I had to remake them.
Who tested it?
Was it Dan?
Dan.
It's
Oh, why
always
is it Dan?
Dan's always game, and he tested one, and yeah, it got stuck in his teeth, and he was just bent over the sink trying to wash his mouth out. And
It's pretty bad now.
yeah,
Yeah, it's a serious grower.
yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, wow. Well, this is going to be perfect for rounds 4 and 5. At the end of round 3, Kush has 3 points. I have 2.
Yeah.
You 2 have 1. Round 4. Woo! Woo! James, look enthusiastic and lift the cloche.
Come on.
That's the first bad one I've had for a long time.
This is...
What accent was
I
that?
don't know, I didn't mean to do an accent.
Come on.
Voldevants.
Very nice.
Voldevants are light, flaky, and elegant, but one of these is pure evil. Filled...
No, this is.
Oh, really?
No, what?
Okay, great, yeah. One of these is pure evil, filled with raw garlic.
What was it filled with before? He
Raw
crossed it out.
garlic. It's a snack that should not be named. A dark magic no palate can survive.
One of the worst things you've ever made on a poker face were the garlic-filled creamy profiteroles, and that I couldn't keep down because the garlic burns so much.
It was so hot.
How do this one compare?
Yeah, under that lovely mound of cream cheese is pureed garlic in one of them.
Just pureed garlic?
Just pureed garlic,
So do we think this is a...
all in one.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I was going to say a
God.
bite and hide.
No, it's a little buff. It's a volleyball. You put the whole thing in, it disappears.
They're all so big.
Right, don't worry.
They're light.
All in one, are we,
Portions?
are we sure?
Yeah, it's light, isn't it?
You've got a 25% chance of being okay.
Yeah, do it.
LA.
Hello.
There.
Hello?
Oh my
I didn't realise it was garlic cream cheese as well.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
garlic and herbs.
Like that boursin from when you grew
Oh, I
up as a
love
kid.
Boursin. Delicious.
It stings.
Stings, yes,
stings.
puree garlic.
As soon as I touched my tongue was on fire.
We need to guess who it is first, Baz.
Yeah.
Come on, 4.
Remember the game?
Yeah.
Holy moly. Right, should we write down a name?
I'm not sure I'm ready.
Any other sensations other than burn?
It tastes like pure, it's almost like citric acid.
Okay.
As soon as I was touching your tongue's just like fizzing and burning. It's like, what?
What?
I can't, I've entered a
Oh, having
stage
a
of,
good time.
Into the stage of panic.
Have some humanity. Spaff, come on.
I want you to try it, because it's so bad. What?
There's some left, I think.
No, it's just a description of citric acid and fizzing along with the burning, because that's probably the Barocca that Kush also put in.
Oh, you, no! It was expanding in my mouth. I thought I was having an allergic reaction. So
He crossed out on the card and said, "Don't read fizzing Barocca."
that freaked the hell out of me. The garlic touched my tongue, and then it went. It's like ah!
Could neither of you breathe in this direction? So I'm
Holy
getting absinthe and garlic.
moly! Yeah, that was ridiculous, Kush. It's already bad.
Yeah, I know. But
Know when to stop.
the little hidden Barocca.
Why do you always sneaky Barocca in things?
You love putting Barocca
I always get the Barocca.
You normally foam them out. I saw you foaming just on the tip.
Yeah. Wow.
Great.
Okay, well done.
done with that one.
Well done. At least I got a point.
Barry.
Yeah, we all did.
Barry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Okay, boys. It's the final round. Kush has 4 points. I have 3. You two have 2 points. Yeah, I can't.
I don't know what to do. I can't breathe anywhere without hurting somebody.
Lift the cloth.
Lift the cloche on Dalmageddon.
Dalmageddon.
Nice.
Dal is usually comfort in a bowl. Gentle spices, soothing lentils, a warm hug of flavour. One of these, however, is a super spicy inferno, so hot that it turns comfort into chaos. So Kush, we always finish on a spicy one, and it's always the worst one. You have a few different methods of getting spice into our bodies. What have you gone with this time?
I've gone back to Big Jim's X Sorted hits the fan. Because even though it doesn't have Pepper X in it, it's still one of the hottest things to ever enter this building and enter us.
I don't want to eat the spicy dal.
You probably won't.
Yeah.
But you might.
But I might.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I don't like it.
Should we do this? Does anyone want to swap? We did this last time, remember?
No, and I got the bad one by swapping. I'm not swapping. I'm confident in my choice.
What's what?
I'm not swapping.
What's what?
I'm confident in my choice, but I will swap if you want. For the video.
No, you should keep that one.
I feel sick. I'm so scared.
Boys, it's been a pleasure.
One spoonful?
Yeah. So these are urad lentils, black dal, soaked overnight, cooked with ghee, loads of onions, tomatoes, spices. Traditional garam masala in there, Kashmiri chili powder, green chilies for a bit of heat. Normally served with them.
Are you talking because you're in talking because you're fine?
Oh, play the game, James.
I'm going in again.
Come on, Baz.
Weird thing is, we all look a bit sad in the eyes today, so it's hard to tell.
Are we ready to write down the name?
Yeah, let's.
I've got a hint.
Well done. Well done.
James?
I actually don't know.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it's got to be Kush.
I think it was Kush. Your eyes were so wet.
Nice.
At the beginning, not a clue. You were playing the game beautifully, and then I felt your leg go shake at the table.
Just a little quiver.
Yeah. I always do this, and no, I'm not going to do it.
Very well done.
We can't.
You have to. Just a little.
I'm going on a train.
and?
Oh, Kush. Oh, Kush.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, Kush.
Oh, Kush.
Oh, wow. Done. You did so well at the beginning. There.
Yeah.
Did you have 3 teaspoons of that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just taught my way through it.
You did until you went quiet.
And then you got so sad.
I've never had a hot one playing poker face.
Have you
Have you
not?
not?
Nope.
Mate, you had a tough game there. Tough week in the office.
You had 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 bad ones, but it does mean that you got 5 points and you win the game.
done.
I came second with 4 losers.
Usually we all lose, but I think you actually did really well that time.
I normally play this game quite well. And yeah, I come out really badly on that.
Dude, I got a clean sweep, which
you?
never happens.
Oh.
Over to you in the comments, how many points did you get from that? And please keep suggesting dish names and punishments that we can use for the next Poker Face episodes.
They are
The
punishments
dish names
themselves.
were great.
They were really good.
All just blow towards Jamie.
No, 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 no.